Hey guys, welcome back to Eat Green Delights Kitchen. We're going to learn how to make chicken stock. You need just whatever vegetables you have in your house, but there are three important vegetables that you must have in your house, which is onions, celery, and carrots. And you can use for anything you want. You can use it for if you don't feel well, you can have like a bowl of soup, a chicken stock. You put a little bit of a pastina, a little bit of potatoes, and you will feel very good. You know, when you feel sick, that's what you're actually looking for. Or you can use it for any other type of sauces in your meat dishes or anything you possibly can imagine. Of course, you need chicken bones, 1 carrot, a little bit of celery, 1 onion, garlic, thyme, okay, fresh dill, fresh parsley, and of course some cherry tomatoes and some basil, okay? Avoid to put any oil just because the chicken, it will come out a lot of oil from the chicken. You don't need to put any oil. You don't need to put any butter. I'm gonna put the water, and once it starts to boil, I'm gonna put it to moderate temperature so that it can start to simmer for like 2 hours. After 2 hours, I'm gonna show you the chicken stock. One of the things that I love to put in the chicken stock is at the end when I finish pretty much to put the water, and now I'm waiting just to the boil time, dry bay leaves and some dry peppercorns. Okay guys, so after 2 hours of boiling and simmering the chicken stock, pretty much it's done. I already removed the chicken. I threw it in the garbage, and I'm gonna show you now all those vegetables that you cut before. I'm gonna just put it through the sifter, and then I'm gonna remove whatever it's left from the bottom, and I'm gonna just put it in the chicken stock. And okay, so I'm gonna show you how I do it. Okay guys, this is the finished product, and I just divide it in 2 containers so that it can cool off as fast as possible, and then I can start to put it to storage. Usually the way I storage my chicken stock, it could be in containers, like plastic containers, and you can put it in the freezer. Or I usually use my Ziploc bags, which it's very easy. Like once it's cold, don't put it when it's hot. Don't put it all the way to the top, or else it's gonna burst in your freezer. Okay. Another advice that I want to give you is, do not put your chicken stock in glass jars, because liquid tends to basically burst in the freezer, okay? And you're gonna end up with a big mess. So I hope you guys like the way I make the chicken stock. When you usually make chicken stock, you might end up to find that there is like a lot of, it becomes like a white foam on the top when it starts to boil. This time I didn't have any foam, any white foam. But if you have any of that, remove that white foam, just because you don't want it that it gets in your chicken stock. That is all the fat of the chicken, of the skin, and definitely you don't want that. Okay, so share this video, drop a like, okay, and hit the notification button, and leave some comments. Okay, let me know how you guys find this recipe, and I will see you next time. Okay, bye.